Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you if you are a writer, okay, so you can get your account verified on Medium. So if you are not writing on Medium, so I would suggest you to start writing there because it's an amazing platform. Just like you are writing on some other platform, if I talk about Quora, maybe LinkedIn post or somewhere else, and it's also too great if you have published some. When it comes to writer, if you say that you are a writer or an author, so it's definitely too important if you are having ISBN number for your books. Okay, so here you can see this is verified icon for me because I'm a writer and author both. So if you write my name, okay, if you write my name, so there you can see a lot of books that are published by me or that are written by me. So you can see this one also. So this is, yeah, like my account on this platform. So yeah, you can read this, see this. Okay, so okay, so if I talk about books, all this Jilmil, Tare and all these things, these books are not written by me. This is somebody else, like with the same name, Shraddha Pandey. So you can see this. This is my book. This is my book. This is my book. This is my book. Okay, so I have ISBN for all my books. If even if you have ISBN for your one book, if I talk about I have my, you can see this, like ISBN for 10 digit, it's for 13 digit. You can read it here. So if you have a book with ISBN, then just, if you have not even created your account on Medium, do one thing: just create your account on Medium, start publishing your blogs there also, and get yourself verified there. So it's too simple. You just need to click on your profile photo, and you can see this. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, as I am already verified, so maybe it's not showing to me. So it will be like become a verified author. So there would be just like same, just likewise you can see it here: become a Medium member, create a Mastodon account, apply to the partnership program. So I am also planning to get into this partnership program because it was not available so far in India, and I think a few months back itself they have started for India too. So I will be applying here also on the partner program, because doing this, whatever blogs we are writing, and if it is doing good, then we can get paid for writing blogs on Medium. Okay, so you can see this. You can just click here, and if you want to, you can read it right here. Apply now. There you just need to write a lot of some of your details about the book. Then they will be asking for a link where it got published. They will be also asking the publisher's name. They will also be asking about, you can see, read it here. So firstly I need to write my email account. Should contain, my user Medium name. Let me check it once. It's Shraddha Pandey. Okay, Shraddha Pandey 36223. Okay, let's do this together. Okay, okay. Then your featured book title, I am picking other option. This I have already used with an ISBN number. Let me check. So this is ISBN number. You can see it right here. So now I am using Unknown Gems of India. So it's like you can verify your any number of books, and it will be featuring on your profile also. Like if I talk about books, here you can see this, like my book here, one book. And here now with you I am going to say verify other, like my authorship through other book also. Now I need to write an ISBN number. So make sure that you are having an ISBN number, because without it you won't be able to proceed further. So from there I am just copying this 10 digit number here. Okay, and I'm just going back there, and I'm copying it. Your book's author, it's my name. I'm doing this. Okay, then we'll be proceeding further. Your book's cover. Okay, to get the cover, what you need to do, you can just go there, click on the image. Okay, and just down save it. Okay, I just saved it. I'm just coming back here, and from there I'm going to pick this. Okay, see. Okay, here you can see it's now uploading. Okay, it's done now. I'm doing okay. Now book description. Let's take book description also from this part. Um, okay, so um, unknown gems of India. Okay, let me write it by myself also, because I remember what was it about. So it's a book related to uh, related to some gems of India. 23, I think. I remember it. Gems of India who are doing an extraordinary work for the betterment of those lives who are in need. Okay, it's related to this. I'm just doing okay. Link to your book. Let's copy the link from there. Link to my book. Okay, I'm going here. I'm just copy pasting it. Okay, your book's publisher and contact info. Okay, it's Notion Press. Notion Press. Let's take their contact number also. Notion Press contact number. Okay, let's copy this. Going back here. Okay. Additional note you have for your review. It's like submit. It's not required actually. So I've just submitted it. Okay, now I can go back to my page. What I need to do is I need to wait for a few days. I think for my first book it took only, I think, 13 hours to receive the like mail. If you want me to show you the mail also, I can just do it right now for you. Let's do it this. So they sent me a mail saying that your request has got approval, has been approved. And let's come here. Not Notion Press, it's actually Medium. Okay, Medium published, Medium author. Okay, let's just search. Um, okay, this is for like we have the inquiry that we have just now, we have process that we have just completed. You can see it here. Submitting an argument to become verified media. Our team will review your application and thank you for writing. Okay, so again, okay, let's see more. Okay, here you can see we have received your application. Okay, so now here you can see it's on 16th April, and when they messaged me it was okay 13th April. Okay, so you can consider around 3 days. 13, 14, 15, 16, around 3 days it will take. Okay, so let's go here. So here you can see, congratulations, you are verified, your book is featured on your profile and the blue book author badge. So here we need not to put any money. We are not at all going to say purchase, just like we used to, people used to do on meta platforms. If I talk about Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook also, now we can verify our company's pages. So it's something genuine, and I just like things that used to be happening like in an organic manner. So yeah, you can just do it. This is truly amazing if you're an author. So it's truly good for you if you are doing this, because it's a kind of achievement for you, right? This you can also use in your resume that you are a verified author. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.